Video, I'm going to be showing you how to find the smaller angle formed when a clock reads 8:15 or 6:45 or any other timing. So to get started, we first need to represent this on the clock. So the minute hand would be pointing towards 15, while the hour hand would be pointing towards somewhere between 8 and 15. 8 and 9. So now we need to find the measure of this degree. So this is a common geometry problem, but the first main thing we need to do is determine how many hours are in between, how many whole hours are in 8:15 or between the minute and the hour hand. So there's 1 whole hour, 2 whole hours, 3 whole hours, 4 whole hours. There's 5 whole hours. So now we need to find the degrees formed by that hour. So to do that, let's let's form that in this. So there's 360 degrees in a circle, and there's 12 hours on a clock. So then 360 divided by 12 is equal to 30 degrees. So that would be 30 degrees. So now that we know that there are 5 pie slices, that means that all of these slices found here are all 30 degrees. Okay, so then that means 30 degrees times 5 equals 150 degrees. So that would mean 150 degrees plus the smaller angle. So now we need to find this angle. So to find that, we need to find basically the minute hand, where the hour hand is based on where the minute hand is. So 15 is 1/4 of the circle. And the way I figured that out is I did 15 divided by 6, which equals 1/4. And then 1/4 times 30 degrees, which would equal 7.5. So this angle here is 7.5 degrees. So then I add that to 7.5, and you get 157.5 degrees as your answer. Okay, so now let's find this angle formed by 6:45. So that would mean that 45 is here, and 6 would be somewhere in between 6 and 7. So this is 30 degrees, and this is 30 degrees. Now we just have to find the place in between here. So you basically have to just use logic and common sense if you should subtract 60 from 45, or you should just leave as 45. But here, using logic, we could say that we have to subtract 60 minus 45 degrees, which would equal 15 degrees. So 15 divided by 60 is 1/4, and 1/4 times 30 degrees, as said before, is 7.5. Okay, So now this is just our problem. 30 times 2 plus 7.5. Okay, so that would be 60 degrees plus 7.5, which would be 67.5 degrees. And that's how you solve these clock problems. Thank you for watching.